Good morning. Our next practice is an ancient yogis practice of extension of the breath, of the connecting with the divine by using our breath, elongating, expanding, and extending our breath. We're doing 40 days the same pranayama breath and the same yogis practice based on a yogis science that 40 consecutive days doing the same spiritual practice helps you to break your blocks, negative blocks that kind of in your psyche, and allowing you to open yourself up for a new spiritual habit that helps you promote you, helps you to grow you in your life. Go ahead, bring your hands together and extend your thumbs towards yourself. Lift your spine and bring your thumbs so they physically touch middle of your chest, your heart center. Take your time and find that spot. You will know which spot is right. And now with your thumbs, feel like you're lifting and helping your heart to lift. Inhale through your nose, elongate through your spine, just a little bit more. And exhale, relax your shoulders down. Bring your chin slightly in, elongate through your spine. And if you are sitting on a chair, please move towards the edge of your chair. Slightly engage your buttocks, contract bottom part of your buttocks. And then relax and again contract just right enough so you feel yourself grounded. Spread your feet hip width apart and press gently your feet down. Find connection with the ground. On your inhale now, please bring your breath in your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Lift yourself, hold it, and when you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously, through your nose, exhale everything out from your upper lungs, your low lungs. Bring your navel in and up, slightly contracting your abdominal muscles. On your next inhale, in your abdominal, expand, open, your diaphragm comes up, your chest expands, hold it, and when you're ready to let go, exhale slowly, consciously, everything out. Close your eyes. And on your inhale, lift your hands up towards your forehead and bring the tips of your thumbs towards the base of your brows. Again, take time to find that right spot, the pressure point that feels right for you. Connect, gently lean your head against your thumbs. Roll your eyes in and up towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. Stay connected there and start elongating your breath even more. Inhaling as much as you can. Hold it and then exhaling as much as you can. Briefly hold your exhalation and inhale, go for another breath. Please relax your facial muscles, relax your shoulders down. Hear your breath. Connect with your breath. With every breath, try to extend it even more. Extending your prana. Extending your life force energy, your divine energy. restoring it. Inhaling, expanding, lifting, connecting, and exhale, releasing, letting go, letting God, emptying yourself, and with this emptiness extending, expanding, and uplifting even more. Heart lifted, optical focus towards your third eye center, connecting with your intuitive mind, connecting with your higher, with your divine self. Keeping your eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Slowly release your arms down, placing top of your hands on your knees, palms up. Join your index and thumbs together. Heart lifted, keep connection with your breath. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Inhaling as much as you can. And long, deep, conscious exhale. Exhaling as much as you can. Please take another long, deep inhale. Exhale, release, let go everything out. Turn your palms down, extend your arms, keeping your shoulders down. And on your next inhale, start leaning forward, opening chest, guiding your heart forward. And on your exhalation, come up and collapse your chest, leaning back. Engage your abdominal muscles, engage bottom part of your buttocks, making C-shaped curve of your spine. Inhale, open your heart, guide your heart forward, follow your heart. And exhale, collapse, pull your navel in, tuck your tailbone under. Keep going. Inhale and exhale out of your nose. Gently start speeding up your breath, warming up your spinal column, balancing your nervous system. Inhale, sending your heart forward. Exhale, opening your heart center. When you go back, opening back side of your heart. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting your abdominal muscles, warming up your digestive system. Facial muscles relaxed. If your eyes still closed, please keep your optical focus towards your third eye center. Inhale. Exhale out of your nose. Just few more times to go. Follow your breath, allowing divine energy to guide you. Allowing yourself to be guided. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Elongate your spine. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Drop your shoulders down, and if your eyes closed, slowly please open your eyes. Soft gaze forward, chin slightly in, your neck elongated. Only eyes please. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Last time down. Soft gaze forward. Heart lifted, shoulders relaxed, chin slightly in. Only eyes. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Last time left. Soft gaze forward. Only eyes. Right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. One more time. Circle, please. Slowly moving your eyes. One more time. Soft gaze forward. Only eyes. Left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. Circle, please. One more time. Inhale, soft gaze forward. Exhale, drop your arms down. Turn your palms out. And on your next inhale, opening yourself, lift your arms, reach, connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Chin slightly in, close your eyes. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Please, on your next inhale, turn your head towards your left shoulder and exhale right. Keep going, inhale left, exhale right. Just simply follow your breath. One more time. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head to your heart. With your heart lifted through your nose, please. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Lifting, expanding through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. On your next inhale, slowly start rotating your head over your right shoulder, up, exhale, left, and down. Keep going, inhale, exhale. Follow your breath. Facial muscles relaxed. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Breathing, inhale and exhale out of your nose. One more breath. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted again, long, deep inhale through your nose. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go everything out. On your next inhale, reverse direction with your head, please. Follow your breath. Releasing tension, stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders. Opening your spinal column for the divine energy to circulate up and down your spine. One more breath, please. One more head roll. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted once more, long, deep, conscious inhale through your nose. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes, return your head back, drop your arms down, inhale, turn your palms out, lift, reach, connect, and exhale, bring it to your heart. Our next practice is the Kriya Yoga practice. Please welcome on your mat. Separate your feet apart, soften your knees, bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest, drop your shoulders down. On your inhale, open your palms out, open yourself, lift, reach, connect, stretch. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, soft knees. Exhale, bow down. Inhale and roll up. Lift yourself, connect. Exhale to your heart. Again, inhale. Exhale, bow. Inhale, unroll. Open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your heart, and last time inhale. Exhale, bow down, keep your knees soft, stay down this time. Relax your neck, relax your head, wave yes and no with your head, making sure your neck is relaxed. Your abdominal muscles relaxed also. One more breath in the center. Inhale in the center, exhale, press your left foot down, send energy up your left leg, press your left hip back, twist and open on your right side, to your right side right now. Stretching, exposing, opening your left, long deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Keep your neck relaxed, keep your abdominal relaxed. One more breath. On your next inhale, come in the center. Exhale, soften both knees. Inhale in the center. Exhale, press your right foot down. Send energy up your right leg. Guide your right hip back. Twist and open to your left side. Relax your neck. Long, deep, conscious breath. Stretching and opening your right side. One more breath. On your inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften both knees, pull your navel in, and on your inhale, slowly unroll up. Remember to guide your tailbone down. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Inhale, open your palms out, lift, reach, connect, hold your inhalation. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes with your thumbs extended towards your heart center. Lift your heart. Drop your shoulders down. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep, conscious breath. Check your weight. Keep your weight evenly between your right and left foot, between front and back of your feet. Bring yourself in the present moment. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, drop your arms down. Inhale, sweep your arms up again. Lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your heart. And inhale, open your arms out. Drop your shoulders down. Inhale, lift your fingers up. Exhale, down. Keep going up and down. Start speeding up your breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. Inhale, exhale. Start engaging your navel center. Inhale, slightly expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting. Four more times. Last time. Inhale, reach. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Reach with your arms even farther. Wrists, please. 4, 3, 2, rotate your wrists, 1, elbows, 1, 2, 3, 4, full circle, inhale, exhale, inhale, change, cross of your arms. Keep breathing. One more time, and then reverse direction, cross, lift your arms and open, keep going, inhale, exhale. One more time, open your arms out, elbows, 4, 3, 2, 1, wrists, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your palms face up, spread your fingers, lift your heart, lift your gaze up, inhale, open, stretch, lift, exhale, fold your thumbs, cover your thumbs, turn your palms down, fists down, head to your heart. Again, inhale, open, lift, exhale, surrender. One more time, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, open. Keep your fingers wide, reach your arms, connect your palms. Exhale, join your fingers together, bring your hands to your heart. Long, deep breath. Inhale, exhale. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, sweep your arms again. Reach even higher. Connect your palms. Bring it to your heart. Inhale, extend your arms. Turn your palms face forward. Fold your forefingers in the fists. Inhale, reach and open, maybe even slightly take your arms back. And then exhale, bend your elbows, point your thumbs down. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Keep engaging your navel center. Inhale, slightly expanding. Exhale, contracting. Reaching with your arms out on your inhalation. And pulling your navel in, bending your elbows on your exhalation. Four more. 4, 3, 2, last time. Inhale, stretch your arms up, spread your fingers wide, reach. And exhale, turn your palms out, slowly take your arms down. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, drop down, in, out, in, out. Just simply follow your breath, breathing in and out of your nose. Releasing tension, stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders, in your upper back area. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your shoulders down, close your eyes. Heavy arms. Keep breathing, allowing tension and stress. Leave your body going down your arms, dripping off the tips of your fingers. One more breath. Inhale, open your eyes. Lift your heart, exhale, drop your shoulders down, turn your palms out, and inhale, open yourself even more. Lift even higher, reach with your arms up, keep them parallel. And exhale, drop your elbows down, turn your palms face forward, join your index and thumbs together. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull your elbows down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, expanding your abdominal, exhale, contracting, keep going. Four, three, two. Last time. Give yourself a nice hug. Lift your heart. Inhale. Exhale. Pull your navel in. Lift your right knee up. Inhale down. Exhale left. Down. Keep going. Follow your breath. Remember to engage your navel center. Focus on your standing leg. Engage your buttock. Maybe even pull your kneecap up. Strong, straight leg. Heart lifted. Chin slightly in. Feeling balanced, strong, confident, even on one leg. One more time for each leg. On your next inhale, reach and lift your right knee up again. Exhale, take your leg down and arms down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep following your breath. Focus on your knee now. Lift your knee almost as high as your arms reaching without sacrificing your standing leg, please. One more time for each leg. Inhale, reach with your arms. Spread your fingers, hold your breath, close your eyes. Exhale. Keep reaching. Inhale. Contract your rectum, internal organs, pull your navel in, chin slightly in. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. One more time, please. Inhale. Contract, lift, pull, hold it. And exhale, turn your palms out, take your arms down. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Now place your hands on your abdominal, maybe separate your feet a little bit wider. Soften your knees, inhale, expand, and exhale, pull your navel in. Gently engage your buttocks also. Inhale, exhale, pull your navel in, engage your buttocks. Inhale, exhale. Keep breathing, oxygenating every internal organ. Inhale, expanding. Exhale, contracting, squeezing your navel in on your exhalation, squeezing all the toxins out of your body. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, soften your knees a little bit more. Release your arms down. Drop your head. Keep your eyes open. Gaze towards your abdominal. And please stay connected with your long, deep breath right now. Inhale. Expanding. Exhale, contracting your abdominal. Again, inhale. Exhale. Next time, inhale long and deep. Open your mouth. Exhale, take your tongue out, and we're going to start breathing in and out of your mouth. Start slow. Connect with your navel center, pumping your navel in and out. And then check if you will be able to go a little bit faster if it feels right for you. And please keep your dog breath going. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And inhale through your mouth. Exhale. Take your tongue out. Second set, please. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Please take long deep inhale, hold it. Long deep exhale, everything out, pull your navel in, hold your breath, start pumping your navel out and in. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Pull your navel in, hold it, and start pumping your navel out, in, out, in, out, in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Long deep inhale, hold. Long deep exhale, pull your navel in, hold, and start pumping your navel. Inhale. Exhale, release your arms, drop them down, relax your neck. On your next inhale, slowly unroll up. Remember to engage your buttocks, shoulders, neck, and head. Turn your palms out. Inhale. Open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, open your eyes. Separate your legs a little bit wider. Inhale, lift your heart, and exhale, extend your arms out, hinging from your hips. Bring your spine parallel to the floor. Drop your gaze down. Make sure your neck is not tense. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Keep going. In, out. In, out. Follow your breath. Just simply follow your breath, focusing on your arm that is reaching up, stretching, sending energy through your arm, receiving energy through your arms, connecting One more time for each side, and then we will change focus. Keep going, but change focus. Focus on the arm that is reaching down. Touching your mat with the tips of your fingers, or maybe placing your palm down. One more time for each arm. And this time, inhale, stretch your arms out. Exhale, allow your heart guide you deeper down. Drop your head down. Keep your eyes open. Place your palms on the floor. Long, deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, soften your knees, slowly unroll up. Remember to guide your tailbone down, your shoulders, your neck, your head. Inhale, sweep your arms again, lift, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, open your right foot out or step forward with your right leg. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, 45 degrees angle. Your left foot pointed forward. Inhale, straight spine. Exhale, bend your right knee. Inhale, lift again. Exhale, release your left hand on your left hip. And go ahead, inhale, guide your left hip forward, direction of your right leg. Engage your buttock. Exhale, open. Inhale, forward. And exhale, open. Keep going. One more time. And exhale, open. Inhale, heart lifted. Exhale, pelvic maybe even more down. Inhale, open your arms out. Turn your palms face out. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold your forefingers into fist. Inhale, crown up. Exhale, bend your left elbow. Turn your head direction of your right arm. Long deep breath. Soft but focused gaze on your nail. One spot on your thumbnail. One more long deep breath. Long deep inhale. And begin the breath of fire, please. Pump in your navel. In and out. Long deep inhale. Hold it, contract, lift, pull. Exhale. Again inhale. Contract, lift, pull, hold. Exhale. One more time. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale. Inhale, extend your arms, pivot on your feet. Stretch your arms out, lift. And exhale, bow down. Keep your eyes open, relax your neck. Relax your abdominal. Long, deep breath. One more breath, please. Inhale, exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominals, slowly unroll up. Open your palms out. Inhale, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, heart lifted. Turn your left toe out. Bring your right foot 45 degrees angle. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, bend your left knee. Bring your left knee above your left ankle. Inhale, heart lifted. Exhale, release your right hand down on your hip. Inhale, guide your right hip forward. And exhale, open. Keep going. Inhale. Just simply follow your breath. Strong, balanced, stable. One more time. Inhale, forward. Exhale, open, engage your buttock. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, maybe go a little bit deeper down. Inhale, extend your arms. Turn your palms face out. Fold your forefingers in. Inhale, stretch your arms 7 more. Exhale, bend your right elbow. Turn your head direction of your left arm. Find your target on your thumbnail. Long deep breath. One more long deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. And after your long deep inhale, start breath of fire. Breathing in and out of your nose, pumping your navel center in and out. Detoxifying, energizing yourself. Remember, if you have high blood pressure or you feel dizzy or discomfort, please stay with your long, deep breath. Long, deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale, one more breath. Hold it. And exhale, release. Extend your arms out. Inhale, parallel feet. Exhale, bow down. Keep your eyes open. Drop your neck, drop your head. Find one spot on the mat. Meditate on this spot. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Inhale in the center. Exhale, walk towards your right leg. Hold your right ankle. Gently pull yourself towards your right leg. Long, deep breath. Inhale, slowly release back in the center. And exhale, walk towards your left leg. Keep your long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften your knees. On your inhale, slowly unroll up. Remember to guide your tailbone down, your shoulders, your neck, your head. Turn your palms face out. Inhale, open. Lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Slowly walk your feet together. Join your feet together, squeeze your legs together, squeeze everything towards your center, lift your heart, and once more please inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, and exhale, bring it to your heart. Please lie down on the floor, on your mat, and walk your feet towards your buttocks. Keeping your feet parallel, arms beside of you, palms facing down. Inhale, arch your low back, and exhale, pull your navel in, press your low back down. Again, inhale, arch. Exhale, press. Inhale, arch. Exhale, press. One more time. Keeping your abdominal active, your buttocks slightly active. Lift your arms up. Inhale and over. Stretch, breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, clasp your hands, lift your head, place your hands behind your head. Inhale. Exhale, pull your navel in, curl up. Keep going. Inhale, down. Exhale, squeeze your lower ribs towards your hip bones. Follow your breath. Last time. Exhale, curl up, stay up. Please keep your shoulders down, chin slightly in. Allow your head simply rest in your hands. Inhale, exhale, lift your right knee up. Inhale, exhale, lift your left. Inhale, extend your right leg up and exhale, left. Join your heels together, open your toes out, stretch your legs, actively reaching up with your legs. Inhale, take your legs slightly down, and exhale, pull your navel in, lift your legs up. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Please remember to engage buttocks when your legs go down. Four more times. Inhale down, exhale up. Last time. Inhale, reach with your legs. Exhale, bend your knees. Unroll down. Elbows out, keeping your knees together. Circle with your knees. Rolling on your low back. One more time. Reverse, please, other side. One more time. Inhale, exhale, curl up, drop your shoulders down, keep your chin slightly in. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg. Inhale, exhale, extend your left. Join your inner thighs together, toes out, drop your shoulders. Inhale, reach with your legs out, lower them down, and hold, please. Keep breathing. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull your knees in. Again, inhale, extend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull your knees in. One more time. Please make sure your low back connected to the floor. Extend your legs out. Keep breathing. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull your knees in. Unroll down. Release your feet down. Release your arms down beside of you. Turn your palms face up. Open your knees out, join soles of your feet together. Close your eyes, long deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, lift your right knee up. Bring your right leg on the top of your left. Twisting your legs to your left. And open your upper body to your right. Roll your head towards your right shoulder. Long deep breath. And you inhale, slowly lift your leg, come back in the center, exhale, in the center, long deep inhale, elongating, long deep exhale, softening, inhale, elongate, exhale, lift your left leg, bring your left leg on the top of your right, twist your upper body to your left, roll your head towards your left shoulder. Long deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, slowly release back in the center. One long deep breath in the center. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your left leg and roll on your right side completely. Rest your head on your right upper arm. One long deep breath. If you have sweatshirts, socks, blankets, please take your time. Get what you need and come back on your mat. On your mat, lying down on your back, take time to make adjustments, to elongate through your spine, extending your legs. Separate your legs a little bit wider this morning. Place your arms beside of you with your palms facing up to receive. Close your eyes, bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Bring your chin slightly in, elongate through your spine. Long deep inhale. Long deep conscious exhale. Inhale, point your toes, squeeze your toes, squeeze your arches of your feet, your ankles, your calves. Pull your kneecaps up, engage your hamstrings and buttocks. Tension your thighs. Pull your navel in, squeeze your abdominal, engage your back. Lift your shoulders up, squeeze fists. Tension your arms, squeeze your face. Tension all your body. Keep squeezing, squeeze your bones, your skin, your muscles. Squeeze one more time, even tighter. Slowly release your toes, your feet, your ankles, your calves, kneecaps, hamstrings, buttocks, thighs, abdominal, back. Drop your shoulders down, relax your fists, your arms. Relax your facial muscles. Inhale, gently roll your head to your left. Exhale, right. Inhale, return your head back in the center. Through your mouth. Exhale, soften. Again, long deep inhale through your nose. Through your mouth. Allow your body to melt down. Again, long deep inhale. And exhale, release, let go, let God. Please keeping your eyes closed, slowly take long, deep, conscious breath. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, rotate your wrists and ankles. Reverse direction, please. On your inhale, sweep your arms up, reach up over your head, point your toes down, reaching opposite direction. Keep reaching, keep stretching, keep breathing. Lengthening, strengthening your nervous system. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slowly take your arms down. One knee at a time. Bring both knees up. Pull your knees towards your chest. Rock from side to side. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, open your arms in the T shape. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, take your knees to your right. With your upper body opening to your left. Long, deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, engage your abdominal. Lift your legs. Inhale and exhale. Take your knees to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Long, deep breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your legs and roll on your right side completely. Using your right upper arm as a pillow, place your left palm down on the floor in front of your heart center. Close your eyes. Long, deep, conscious breath. Inhale and exhale out of your nose, allowing all that wonderful energy that you created during your practice this morning to settle in your body. One more breath. On your next inhale, gently and slowly press yourself up in a cross-legged seated position. Rock from side to side. Find middle part of your buttocks. Rest your arms on your knees, palms facing up. Join your index and thumbs together. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. We're going to finish our morning practice today with the 3 gratitude breaths. Gratitude to yourself for being here today. Maybe think of someone or something that you're grateful for also. Please take a long, deep, conscious inhale. Lifting, expanding through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go. Through your nose, inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go. One more breath. Through your nose, inhale, silently chanting I. Through your mouth, Through your mouth, inhale I. And through your nose, exhale, chanting On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes Exhale, release your mudra. Inhale, sweep your arms up, reach up. Connect your palms, gaze up. Exhale, twist and open to your right. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze up. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, gaze up. Exhale to your left. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center. Open, lift, reach, connect, keep reaching. Exhale. Inhale, open your eyes wide, spread your fingers wide. Exhale, soften your gaze, join your fingers together, bring your hands to your heart, bow down. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pearl light within you guide your way on. Thank you so very much for practicing. Namaste.